more than multiplying of monomial by monomial. In that, multiplying 2 monomials, multiplying 3 monomials, multiplying more than 3 also we have. First step is multiplication of monomials. Multiplication of monomial by a monomial. What is monomial, children?
One term.
Only single term. I am the monarch. I am only the one king in the monomial. Single term. So here, first one, multiplying 2 monomials. Multiplying 2 monomials. Let me take multiplying 2 monomials. Suppose I begin with a small example. 6 into x. 6 is one term, monomial, and x is another monomial. If you multiplied 6 into x means what you will get, children?
6x.
How you will get 6 into x means?
6x.
6x. Very good. 6x only. So how you are getting x? You are repeatedly adding. X you are repeatedly adding how many times?
6 times.
6 times. So you are getting 6x.
Yes, ma'am.
The same way, suppose if I want to multiply 4 into some 4x or 5x. 4 into 5x. So that means
For
what?
20x.
Yes. 4 I am multiplied with 5 times. 4 5s are
20.
that means what you supposed to write?
5x plus 5x plus 5x plus 5x.
Very good. 5x plus 5x plus 5x. 4 times you are repeating. So you are getting 5x. 5x, 5x, all are like terms. You are adding all the coefficients. Like 5, 5, 10, 10, 5, 15, 15, 5 is 20, 20x. You are getting. You just observe the pattern, children. Why I am continuously giving like that? You just observe. Next thing. X into, suppose if you just x into 3y. This is one monomial, another monomial. I want to multiply. That means x, how I supposed to multiply here? X, how many times?
3xy. 3xy.
Very good. X. X into 3 into y. X into 3 into y. So it's nothing but 3xy. Very good. Next.
Yes.
Next 5x into 3y. You just see, children, how the pattern is occurring.
15xy.
Ma'am, 15x.
15xy.
15xy. Or else if you want to make it as 5 into x into 3 into y. So it is 5 3s are
15xy.
15xy. 15xy. The same way, children, you can multiply negative expressions also. Suppose 5x, you need to multiply with minus 6y. What you should do?
Minus 30xy with the answer.
Very good.
Minus
5 into
30xy.
minus 6. The same variable part you are taking together. So 5 6 are
minus 30xy.
Yeah, this is the way you are getting general a monomial with monomial. We have some more useful examples. Let me go with further examples.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 5x into 4x square. In this, what are the 5 into numerical values?
5 into 16. 5 into 16.
20x cube. Ma'am, 20.
Very good. X into x square, you are writing. So 5 4s are 20. X power 1 bases are same means we need to add exponents.
That's 20x cube.
Bases are same. You can add up your exponents. So 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So you can make it as 20 into
Ma'am,
x.
I didn't understand.
Okay.
20x cube.
No. Here, what same variable part you have to see. One is x, another one is x square. That means x into x square means x square can be written as x into x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this can be written as x cube. 3 times repeated means we are expressing as cube, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 4s are 20. X into x square can be written as?
X cube.
Very good.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Right. Not only this, children, some other example, because if you are perfect with this, we are going further also, you didn't get any doubt in identities also. 5x multiplied with minus 4xyz. Here what you will do, Nana? First numerical part you take outside. 5
Minus
into minus
20.
4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then x
And
into
then
x,
x into y, ma'am. Minus 20 x square y.
minus 20
X square y.
x square y.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Right.
here why can't we?
Right. Very good.
Ma'am, if the variables are the same, then only you can make them into square and cube. If they're different, you can't, right?
Yes, ma. This is generally x plus x is 3x. We are adding. So x into x means you are raising power. You are just
Yes, ma'am.
adding your exponents. So here x cube. Understood, children? What is the plus and multiplication? Don't confuse, children. Repeated addition is fine. Same thing. This is a small table I will draw for you. You can please answer because I am continuously shouting. You people may be quite simply relaxing. So I am just giving the table here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You just multiply and give the answers.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. One question for one student. Please answer the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where is that boy is there here in the classroom? Who is that boy name? Manideep, are you there? Manideep, are you there in the classroom or not? Ayush Mishra? Ayush, are you there? Ayush, are you there or not? Okay. Children, I am giving the, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I am giving the values here. You just multiply and give the answers for me.
Ma'am, can you even
Let
tell the
me
names?
let me write the numbers on the, yeah. This is, you just take as a, yes, you just take as 3 years. Someone is calling. Manideep, are you there? Manideep, are you there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why late, Manideep?
Sorry, ma'am. Internet issue.
Okay, 3x and then 9x. Sorry, it's 9y. 9y. Everyone should be actively participate. It's like a small quiz, children. AB 2l square m 2l square m. And this part you have to multiply and give the answers, children. On the top, you should multiply with 5y. And this is given as 4y square. And this is given as 5ab.
Ma'am, you should multiply them.
Yes, ma,
Like-
you should multiply and give the answer.
Ma'am, what you should multiply? I didn't understand.
Yeah, how let me help you. 5 BC, Nana, 5 BC, and this is 5 BC, then 3LM square, 3LM square. Now you have to let me give. If I want to fill this box means first box, you just multiply these two things, Nana. Second box means this and this you have to multiply and give the answer. First question goes to,
The second
yeah, I
row.
will give the names. First question goes to Divyesh. Divyesh, 3x multiplied with 5y. What is the answer?
15.
Yes, what is numerical part? 3 into 5,
15 xy.
xy. Okay, the second question go to Nityasri.
Ma'am, here I should do 3x plus 4y square, right?
3x into 4y square, very good.
Okay, ma'am. 12 xy square.
Good. Next, Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavya. 3x into 5 BC.
15x BC.
Very good. There is no combination, right? Next, where is Aditya?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Lalit.
Ma'am, so 3x into 3lm square. Ma'am, so 3 into 3, which is 9. Ma'am, 9x lm square.
9x lm square, right? The same way you can answer Abhinav. Please, Abhinav, answer the
Yes,
second row.
ma'am. 9y, 45y square.
45y square. Very good. The next question goes to Manideep. Manideep,
Yes, ma'am.
9y into 4y square. 9 fours are how much?
36, ma'am.
30y into y.
36y cube, ma'am.
Very good. 36y cube. Good. Next question. Ayush Mishra, are you there? Ayush is there in the meeting now.
Yes, ma'am, he's there.
Ayush is not responding. Why? I don't know. Ayush?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
No. Next question, please. 9y multiplied with 5 BC. 9 5 times. Ayush, are you there or not?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me? My mic is not working properly, ma'am.
I can hear you. Now I can hear you. Please tell me. 9 5s are
45.
45. Any common? No common. So you directly write variables. Y, B, C. Next. Next question goes to Divyesh. This part who will give, Nana? This part. I want this part. You
Ma'am,
just
can I?
multiply. Yes, ma'am. Nityasri.
Ma'am, it is
2l square
6.
m
Ma'am,
into 3l m square.
Can I say, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, it's 6l square m square.
Ma'am,
It's
6l cube m square.
Yes, ma'am.
6L
6l cube m
M
cube,
square,
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's 6 M L cube, ma'am.
L cube m cube.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. L cube m cube
M
is
cube.
correct, children. Why? Because you just see here, L repeated 2 times and 1 more time. Same way m repeated 1 time and 2 times. So L into L into L. So here m into m into m. So which is nothing but L cube. This is nothing but m cube. So this is the way. Okay, children, I think hope you understand. I'm not doing much of that. Next one, we will go with a monomial with
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
yes.
till now, ma'am, what did you explain?
Only multiplication of monomial with monomials, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
We are multiplying 2 monomials. So now let me give the
Yes.
how application part you will get in the examination. Find the volume of rectangular box whose length and breadth and height are given. There are length is given, breadth is given, height given. You need to find out. You need to find out volume. You need to find out volume. What is length, breadth? Everyone you supposed. What is the volume formula, children?
Length
Volume of
into B.
rectangular cube.
L into B into H, ma'am.
Very good. Length multiplied with the breadth multiplied with the
Height.
H. Good job. Yes. Now first question goes to Manideep. Manideep,
Yes, ma'am.
length is given here. The length of a rectangular cube is given 2AB and the breadth is given 2AX, Nana. It's 2AX. Breadth is given 3BY and the height is given 5CZ. What is the value of volume of the? We know that the volume formula is length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height. There are
Yes, ma'am.
three monomials we are multiplying, children. 2AX,
Yes, ma'am.
3BY 5 CZ. Yeah. Come on, please tell.
30 AX BY CZ, ma'am.
30 AX BY CZ. Very good. Or else ABC XYZ. Can we go with the ABC and XYZ?
Yes, ma'am, even that also.
Yes, we can. Why? Because in multiplication you can write in any order. Very good. I can. You are good at multiplication of three monomials. The next question goes to Abhinav. Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
m square n, n square p, and p square m. Yes, come on. Everyone should think, children. M square.
Ma'am, that is m square n into n square p
Very good.
into p square m into m square n.
Which is nothing but what is the values you're supposed to tell. That's I want only answers. M's, where are M's? Please check.
Ma'am,
M.
can I say
Ma'am,
m
in
cube?
m
Wait,
square,
wait, ma, wait. Let them give Abhinav. I will give. I will come to you. Huh.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Hmm.
In m square n and p square m.
What is the value?
Ma'am, that will be m cube,
Okay.
n cube,
Okay.
p cube.
Can we write this as same as mn, pmn whole cube? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Mama. Next question goes to Bhavya. Bhavya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
2q, 4q square, and 8q cube. Bhavya, please little careful and give the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 64.
Very good.
64. 6. Q power 6.
Good, good. Very good. Next one. Next question, Lalit. Lalit, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
4ABC and 2A square B, and this is nothing but B square A.
Ma'am, so 8. Ma'am, 8 A4, A power of 4, B4.
A to the power 4, B to the power
4, ma'am.
4. Very good. Next, Nityasri. Nityasri, are you there now?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
So minus 2A.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
of course, the lengths are no negative, children. I'm taking integers. Please don't consider that. You are just multiplication of things. You just remember.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
do it. And minus 4A square B and minus 3B square A. Yeah. Now, what is the product of these three numbers?
Ma'am, once again, minus. Yes, ma'am, mine. 24. Minus 24.
Very good. Minus 24.
Ma'am, is that 2A?
Yes, this is 2A.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
A
a
to the
cube, b
power 8 to the power 4
A to the power 4, right?
and B cube.
Very good. It's B cube, right? Like that, you have to think and give. Ayush Mishra, are you there? Ayush? Ayush
Yes, ma'am.
Mishra. Ayush Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 4x minus 2x square y minus, not minus, it's a plus 4y square x square. Ayush, what is the product of these three monomials?
Ma'am, so and minus 32.
Is it minus, Nana? Abhinav, is it minus or plus?
Ma'am, that will be plus, ma'am.
Wait, let him think and give answer. He is anyway giving the number correct. Abhinav, Ayush,
Yes, ma'am.
what is minus 4 and minus 2? Please tell Nana quickly. We will go with the next part too. Yeah, is it positive or negative? You will get.
Ma'am, 8.
Okay,
Ma'am, so 32, not minus 32.
very good.
Sorry.
32. Then x square coefficients.
Yes, ma'am.
X square
32
degree.
x cube.
Is it x cube? All three terms you should multiply, Nana. All three you should multiply. It's not two. It's a product of three monomials we are doing right now.
Ma'am, so
Ayush, any difficulty you are facing here? Please let me know. Ayush, I'll help you.
yes,
Ayush.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm not understanding.
See, Ayush, first numerical part you have to take. What is numerical part? -4, -2, and 4. So -4, -2, -4, +4. So minus into minus plus. 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 8 4s are
32.
32. Next, coming to x part. X part, how many times x? First x power 1, then second thing x square, in third expression x cube. If you combine all these together, what you will get, Nana? X to the power
6.
6. X to the power 6. Very good. Next, same way go with y coefficient. Here no y.
Ma'am,
Here y is there. Here y square. Y and y square together.
Ma'am, y cube.
Ma'am, it's
Right.
x to the power 5.
No, it's x to the power 5. Is it 5?
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
in third
2 plus
one,
2
x
and
to
1.
the power of 2.
Okay, okay. Sorry, I didn't see. It's 5 according to. Okay, right. This is the way we can multiply. Divyesh, are you there, Divyesh? Divyesh, are you there? Can you give answer for my question, Divyesh? Shall I ask you? Divyesh, if you are there, I can give one question to you so that you can also, because this is the basic things, please, how to multiply the things once you are perfect means you can go identities very easily, children. Okay, maybe he's busy. Next question goes to, like that you have to not only 2 3 children, you can multiply more than 2 or 3 also. 4 monomials or 5 monomials also you can multiply like that. It's the same procedure only you are supposed to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no issues, no worries.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, you can today you can take your exercise 9.2 and try it, children. Do you have textbook with you?
Yes, ma'am, we do.
Ma'am, I don't have, ma'am. Can you please share?
Okay.
Even me, ma'am.
Okay, Manideep, you also not having textbook with you?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I actually have, ma'am. Actually, Qatar textbook is same here. But
Okay.
actually, I am in someone's house, ma'am. That's why.
Okay, 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 right. Right. Okay. I think Bhavya is sharing every time. Every time I'm asking, she may feel difficult. Is it any difficult for you, Bhavya, to share once again?
No, ma'am. I'll share it.
Okay, please do that now.
If you want this time, I can share.
Yeah, no, Bhavya will help. She will share. Did you share that? Okay. Yeah, she shared. Just to see the part. Even if we can, no need of download now. Yeah, I have in my. I think that chapter is not. Okay, just a minute now.
Ma'am, now which exercise we're doing? 9.3.
Can we go with the same drill up, or else shall I give more things now? Multiplying monomial with polynomials we will do in that monomial with binomial, binomial with binomial. Shall we go with that?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. Now a multiplication of monomial with polynomial.
Ma'am, can you like give one more exercise binomial by binomial? After that, can we do binomial and
Okay,
polynomial?
okay. Surely.
Thank you,
Because the 9.2, what we discussed, the same thing you have to then please.
Ma'am, it's saying that it's already deleted and moved or edited.
What, ma?
Ma'am, the link you sent, right, ma'am, for the textbook?
Okay.
Ma'am, that's not working, ma'am. It's saying deleted.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me share by me. Where is that?
Ma'am, we can search it in Google, ma'am.
Yeah, you can see, children. You can see in Google.
Just copy paste it.
Yes, ma'am,
in
or
Google.
else we can like search NCRT 8th class, ma'am.
NCRT 8th class, CBSE NCRT mathematics textbook, class 8. No, chapter wise you have. Please check it, children. The next concept in this monomial with polynomials under multiplication of monomial with binomial. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
multiplication of very simple, children. Multiplication of normal multiplication only. Multiplication of monomial with monomial means what, children? With binomial. Now I'm taking a monomial. Any one thing you can take. Is it this is the monomial, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Another expression I'm taking, I want to multiply with the binomial. Let me take a binomial as 3x and 5xy. Yes, is it a binomial? This is monomial. This is binomial. Yes, I want to multiply. What I should do, children?
Ma'am, so ma'am, it's
Ma'am, first we should add
ma'am,
binomial.
2x
ma'am.
into 3x, ma'am. 2x into 3x.
Distributive
Ma'am, plus
property, Nana.
2x into
Yes, ma'am.
Distributive property. You use
Ma'am,
your
yes, ma'am, I said distributive, ma'am. 2x
Yeah.
into 3x and then 2x
2x into 3x.
plus
Then
Ma'am, the
plus
answer is
into
5x
5xy.
square and
6x
10x
plus
square y.
10x
very good.
square y.
5x square plus 10x square y.
Y.
Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
so 15.
So it is 15x to the power 4y.
Oi. Who is
No,
that?
ma'am, that
Ma'am,
is the
ma'am,
answer.
Add it.
Ma'am, we can't do it.
We can't.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is x square term. This is x square y term. You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
adding. You are adding x square and x square y terms. Is it correct, children? Only like
No,
terms.
ma'am.
We can add like terms. We are unable to add unlike terms.
Ma'am, then what will be the answer?
This is only the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Like we won't simplify.
No need of simple. This is only simplest form.
Ma'am, we can even do like, okay, it's in
No, nothing. You just write it. Next one. Come on, children. Please give this answer. 3x plus 5xy. Sorry, just now we wrote the same thing. Just a minute, children. I will take another part. Yeah. A square is the first monomial. This monomial multiplied with a binomial 2ab minus 5c.
So it is 2ab minus.
No, same thing. Distributive property, children.
Yes, ma'am.
A square you just, and again this you're supposed to multiply.
A square into
A square
2ab
into
minus 5c.
2ab.
And the answer is 2a cube b minus 5a square c.
2a cube b minus
5a square c.
Very good. Now your task is coming, children. You can multiply. The same thing, children. Same thing. We can go with the multiplying monomial with the trinomial also. Same
Ma'am,
thing.
it should be a cube, right?
Where, ma?
Okay, I understand. Ma'am, actually should be.
Any
And
doubt?
nothing else, ma'am. That is only the answer.
That's
Ma'am,
all.
I didn't understand how you get 2a square cube my b, ma'am. I didn't
So
understand.
a square into a. A square into a means a square into a means what, children? A 2 times here, one more time. That means a how many times repeated?
Ma'am, that is actually the property for a to the power of m plus a to the power of n, right?
But this class
Into.
exponents and powers I didn't teach, Abhinav. Earlier you are there in that
Ma'am,
comment.
this is not exponents like ma'am. A square into a is a cube, of course.
That
Ma'am,
is
but a square into a to the power of 1 is like a to the power of m into a to the power of n,
Ma'am,
right?
okay, ma'am, but
very good.
here a square and again a square point and 5 c is there, no, ma'am.
Nana, I just to now numerical part I'm taking first outside, Nana. Then a coefficients I'm writing a square into a, and the same multiplication you change order also, right, Ramya? This part can be written as a cube, Nicha, and b as it is I wrote. Here also numerical part I'm taking first. Then variables a square and ac.
Ma'am, but here you got a minus. Ma'am, I'm not understanding, ma'am.
Okay. Where you didn't understand, please let me.
Ma'am, I didn't understand, like in the first we got a cube b, but in the second we didn't get like it's same a square
Why?
only 5a
Because
square.
in here a square term is there. Here no a square term in your second in second expression. You have only 5c term.
Oh, okay, ma'am, I understood now. I didn't see the
Okay.
question.
Right. Okay, multiplying a monomial with a trinomial. Same thing, children, how we did same way. You can go with by trinomial also. Multiplication of a monomial with a trinomial. Multiplied with monomial with a trinomial. In this case, you have to take it as I just am going with the first question 3p. This is what type of expression?
Ma'am, it's a binomial.
Oh, this one.
Monomial.
Okay.
Monomial.
Monomial with a trinomial. Is a trinomial is same? You just check it whether trinomial you are getting or not here. Second expression.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
So it is 3p
3 times you're supposed to multiply.
12p cube. 12p cube
Yes,
plus
3p into 4p square.
12p
3p into
12p cube plus 15p square
okay.
plus
Plus
20p.
12p cube.
P cube
plus
Plus
15p square
square
15p
Okay.
square plus
21
plus 21p.
p.
Yes, there is no like terms. This is cube. This is square. This is 1. So no, we are unable to combine. You just
Yes,
drop it. You stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your task, children, I am going to give and individually everyone. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
answer the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
And this question goes to Bhavyasri. Bhavyasri, are you there? Bhavyasri, are you there or not? Bhavyasri, are you there?
Ma'am, you mean Bhavya?
Yes, I can. This is your question, Bhavyasri. Please answer your question.
Yes, ma'am.
Three x into minus 4x square plus 2x minus 3.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 12x cube
Very good.
plus 6x square
Right.
minus 9x.
Very good. Very good. The science also you absolutely taken and given correct answer. Right. Next question goes to yeah. Don't think only this is for the Bhavya and don't please you have to think everyone. Ayush Mishra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is for you, Ayush. Minus x into minus 5 y square x plus 2xy square minus 7. Ayush.
Yes, ma'am. And
Come on,
5x,
very good. 5
5x y square x
x
square
x square y square. Very good.
plus
Plus or minus? This is minus. This is plus.
Ma'am, so minus
Minus.
2x square.
Minus. Very good.
2x
Minus. Then
square y
wait,
square.
wait, ma. Let him. What is numerical value here?
2
2. Very good. Here x power 1. Here x power 1. That means
mx square 2x square
x square. No, multiplication it is. Then y square anyway. Y square. Then here minus into minus again.
and plus 7.
Plus 7x. Good. Good, Abhinav. Yeah, this is not Ayush. Abhinav, you are there,
Yes,
Abhinav?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is your question.
Yes, ma'am.
A multiplied with minus 3a square b square plus 2a square c and plus b square. Come on.
Ma'am, that is minus 3 a cube b square
Okay.
plus 2a cube c
Okay.
plus b square.
Yes.
B square.
What about a? ab square కదా నాన్న?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. AB square.
ఒక టర్మ్ మర్చిపోయినా కూడా మళ్ళీ రాంగే నాన్న. అందుకు నేను ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ దిస్ మచ్ బేసిక్ పార్ట్ ఫర్ యూ. ఇఫ్ యూ ఫర్గెట్ ఏ సింగిల్ టర్మ్ ఆల్సో యువర్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ బి రాంగ్ అగైన్. దే వోంట్ గివ్ ఎ సింగిల్ మార్క్ ఆల్సో. You should be little alert. You are using distributive property, you are using integer concept, you are using product. All three combinations you are using. That's why your chances to get a mistake, but it's a very simple one only. Now the next question goes to step by step. I am giving Nana all one by one. You have to answer quickly, children. Harshita, are you there? Harshita,
No.
Harshita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please multiply and give the answer. These are the two expressions. Please combination of questions. Come on, quick.
Ma'am, actually, I joined a bit late, ma'am.
Nothing to worry. You just apply the same logic.
Yes, 4p into q.
Very
So
good.
4pq
Okay.
plus 4pr.
That's all for PR. No need of worrying tension, children. You can take. If you late also same concept only we are doing, right? Next.
Ma'am,
question
can
goes-
I get a question monomial into trinomial?
Yes,
Ma'am,
I'm
even
going.
me, ma'am, I didn't also get Lalit.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I get another question?
Sure, children, everyone, I am not going to teach anything. We are going to practice now because teaching
Okay,
and you're supposed to apply that knowledge into real means, then only whatever I'm teaching, that's correct. Bhavya, please answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow which chapter test?
Children, tomorrow I'm
Algebra
going for
only.
CBSE NEET examination invigilation. I'm not sure whether if night I'm completely doing the work, I can finish your testing part. So I'm not sure whether maybe some classes I want to be cancelled and I supposed to keep on Tuesday. But
Ma'am, no problem, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I will try to myself to be.
No, ma'am, don't, ma'am. Even
No,
we have
because
tomorrow.
your sequence may be disturbed, children, or else you may take us lenience because ma'am is not giving test means once if it is neglected means you people also will be not sincere children. So I will try my level best to give at least 10 to 15 questions, not Much
Ma'am,
question.
10 questions are enough, ma'am.
Yeah, 15. This algebraic expressions and what is this one only we will go, children. These are
Yes,
many.
ma'am. Give about how to solve trinomial
Yeah.
into
This is
binomial.
only many questions you will get. I will give in this chapter only. Okay.
Ma'am, what you taught
Ma'am,
today,
can
that
I
only
answer
you'll give,
this?
right?
Yes, ma'am. This is question for Bhavya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, a square b minus a b square.
Very good. Minus AB square. Suppose in the examination, okay, that's all. Right. Next question for it's question 2. Divyesh, Dev, are you there? Divyesh, please. If you're there, please unmute and give the answer. Then you can do your work. No response. So this question goes with Ayush. Ayush,
Ma'am, I didn't
Yes,
get
ma'am.
chance.
please.
Ma'am, I didn't get
Ma'am, I
chance for
didn't
even
get chance, ma'am.
I will
Even
give children. Don't worry. I will give.
Even me, ma'am.
Definitely, I will
for
give. I will
even
give, Nana. I will give.
binomial into trinomial also I didn't get, ma'am.
Yeah, I will give. Definitely, I'll give. Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am. Can I see?
Ayush, please.
Ma'am, 6p cube
Very good. 6p cube.
minus 7p square
Right.
plus 5p.
Good job. Good job. Next question goes to Manik. Where is? Yes, are you there, Nana?
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this question is for whom?
Where is my dear? Where is that boy? Manikanta is there in the class? Is
Ma'am, Manideep or Manikanta?
he in this class? Manikanta is there?
No, ma'am.
No,
Please.
Manikanta.
Okay, Manideep. Sorry, Manideep. Nana. Manikanta is
Yes,
from other
ma'am.
class. Manideep.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
4p to the power of 4, ma'am. And q to the power of 4, ma'am.
Q to the power 4.
Yes.
Ma-
Yes, ma'am.
Now, once again, think and give money. Sorry, Manideep.
Ma'am, can I answer?
No, ma'am. Q to the power.
You just take your
Yes,
own time. I will go with. You just take and be ready with your answer. I will come
Yes,
back to you.
ma'am. 2 minus
No,
My-
think slowly. Think slowly. Don't be hurry. Think slowly. Next, Abhinav. Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I just confused. Can I say it again?
Yes, please.
4p to the power of 4 q square
Very good. Very good.
into
No, whatever the
yes,
meaning
ma'am.
is
Minus.
there is.
Sorry.
Minus.
Minus 4p square q to the power of 4, ma'am.
Wonderful. Very good. You are also
I
correct.
just
Good.
confused.
Ma'am, can I answer mine?
Yes, you can, Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am. It's a square bc
A square BC.
plus ab square c
Very good.
plus abc square.
ABC square. Wonderful. Good. Next question goes to Nityasri. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Don't feel difficult, children. Please try your level best. A square multiplied with the 2a power 22, 4a power 26. Come on, Nityasri. Lalit, you be please don't think only this is for Nitya. You can
Two.
also answer and put in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
2a to the power 24.
What more? What's your answer?
2a to the power 24.
No, please think once again. I'll come back.
44, not 24. Sorry, 44.
2, is it 2?
Yes, ma'am. 1a square, so it's 2.
Please think once again. Wait, Abhinav, I'll come to you. Wait, Abhinav, I'll come to you, please, wait. I'll come to you, I'm not going there today, I just complete this task and I supposed to go. Yeah, Nityasree. Children, how many of you ready with your answers? Please raise your hand for a Nityasree question. Yes, Bhavya raised. Only Bhavya, Ayush.
Ma'am, is it 3a?
No, it's complete multiplication only. There is
Ma'am,
no,
then 2 into 1 is 2 only, right, ma'am?
no, very, that's okay. This is nothing is there means 1. Okay. 2 into 1 is 2. What about 4?
Ma'am, you should do that class after,
No,
right?
plus, no, all numbers you should multiply first. 1 into 2.
Oh, okay. Now I understood. I
Ma'am,
thought
8a, ma'am, 8a,
eight.
ma'am, 8a
eight-
power of
Wait,
50.
wait, Lalit, wait, let her think. If she can think means she never do mistakes again. Come on, Nitya.
8a to the power
Yes,
44 into 26. 1 second, ma'am.
yeah, what is that?
4
44.
into 26.
C term లేదు కదా నాన్న, C ఎక్కడ ఉంది అక్కడ?
Ma'am, I said 26. 44 into 26.
ఇంటూ ఎందుకు చేస్తావురా? బేసిస్ అన్ని సేమ్ అయితే యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ ద ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్, దట్స్ ఆల్.
Okay, ma'am. So
బేసిస్
24
సేమ్ గా
plus
ఉన్నాయి నాన్న,
20.
బేసిస్ ఆర్ సేమ్. You just add the exponents. 2 plus 22,
50, ma'am.
24.
8 to the power 50.
Right. Now you understand, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Now I understood.
Right. Lalit, your question. Are you ready with your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Lalit.
Ma'am, ma'am, so it's, ma'am, minus 18 by 30.
Anna, if you have any doubt, you just write numerical part together. Please do that. No, then you have to take a variable
by
part.
5. Ma'am, minus 3 by 5. Then, ma'am, x cube at y cube.
Very good. Minus 3 3s are will cancel. Very good. Then
Ma'am,
this
minus 3 by 5 x cube and y cube.
very good. Minus 3 by 5 x cube and y cube. Wonderful, wonderful, Lalit. Good job. Good job. Keep it up. Next question for whom I didn't ask it.
You didn't ask me for binomial into trinomial.
No, you just answer my question first. This is for Nitya only again. 2 participants raised. Okay, I will give to you chance to you also. P cube and 6 by 5 multiplied with P cube. Nitya, can you give answer for this question?
Yes, ma'am. First, we should do minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5.
Very good. Okay, then what is variable part?
It is P. 1 second, ma'am. P to the power 4.
Okay.
P to the power 4.
Okay. P to the
And
power
Q
4.
to the power 4.
Right. This simplification, any simplification?
Yes, ma'am. 10 and 5.
Okay.
And 3 and 6.
Okay. What is the answer you will get?
2 minus 2 into 2, which is nothing but minus 4.
Wonderful. Good, ma. Good. Next question to the next Bhavya. Bhavya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please, Bhavya, quick answer. I want only within 10 seconds. One question is written within 10 seconds. I want not more than 10 seconds.
Yes, ma'am. I'll try. Ma'am, x power 10.
Wonderful. X power 10. You just here no means you just add up 1 plus 2.
Ma'am, x power 11, right?
కాదు నాన్న 10 కదా
10, it's 10, it's 10.
10 right Bhavya, good.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. Next question goes to the who is other students are there in the class. Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please study. So simplify and give the value of an expression 3x multiplied with 4x plus 4x minus 5 plus 3, and find its value of x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. Nana, you need to find for value of x equal to 3, this value of expression you're supposed to find and give the answer. And x by 2, x equal to 1 by 2, who are going to give? Can you give Manideep? Can you give this x equal to 1 by 2? What you should do, you understand here, you replace
Ma'am,
the
can I
place of
give this one
x3.
x is equal to 1 by 2?
Who is giving answer?
Ma'am, Nitya, can I give?
No, wait. Abhinav, are you able to do this sum? Abhinav.
Is it 189?
Wait, just a minute. Let me do 4 3 times. And 5 plus 5. This is 9 minus 12 minus 5 plus 5. 9 into 12 minus 5. How much, Nana? 7. It's 5. 7 9s are 63 plus 5. And Nana.
Ma'am, plus 5, it's plus 3, right?
Second, Nana.
Ma'am, top question you wrote 3, right?
Oh, so you can take it as 5, children. Sorry. Of
Okay,
course.
ma'am, so 68.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Same way, if you substitute x equal to 1 by 2, what is the value? Who will
Ma'am,
give
here it will become
Ma'am, 3 by
Ma'am,
2 into
3
2.
by 2 into
3
Ma'am,
into 1 by 2,
2 into minus 3, ma'am.
4 into 1 by 2 minus 5.
Ma'am, minus 9 by 2 plus 5, ma'am.
Okay, this will cancel. This become 2. This is nothing but a 3 by 2.
Ma'am, minus 19 by 2.
2 minus 5. Very good, Nana. You are correct. So 3 by 2 minus, it's minus 3 plus 5. So this is nothing but a minus 9. Minus 9 by 2 plus 5. You can cross multiply. It become 10. Positive 10 means minus 1 by. Nana.
Ma'am, minus 90. Ma'am, it's ma'am minus 1 by 2.
No, plus 1 by 2.
Yes,
Is
ma'am,
it
plus
plus
1.
1 by? Yes, children.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Children, any doubts, please let me know. These are 7th class topics. That's why I'm directly doing and giving answers. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I'll help you.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 second. How did you get 1 by 2?
Yeah, that's part. Okay. That is a simple fractional part I'm using directly. So here 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 and plus I'm getting a denominator is no number means these are unlike. You just make as a like means you just multiply second.
Ma'am, so minus 9 by 2 plus 10 by 2. Ma'am, it's minus 1 by 2.
Yes, 1 by 2. Simple fractional concept, Nana. That's why fractions, decimals, integers are, you never forget, children. It should be carried over to throughout till your career because this will occur continuously in your calculations.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm not teaching any classes in my 8th class. So when I'm starting the class for 8th, I'm continuously giving only addition of all operations on subtractions, all operations on decimals, all operations on integers. Once they are perfect, then only I'm going with the who are not perfect with that concepts, I will send again to grade 7. So go and sit, learn back and come to the grade 8. Because those are very important. If you don't know those things, we really unable to do anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I go with multiplication of binomial with binomial? We didn't discuss, children.
Ma'am, it's already time up.
Okay, its time is over. Okay,
Yes,
till
ma'am.
now, tomorrow, if you have test, till now we can do that part, children. What are the
Yes,
things
ma'am.
you have?
Ma'am, so 8th class algebraic expressions will come right tomorrow?
No, complete chapter not. No. Till now, where we completed, that only you have testing.
Ma'am, but like
ma'am till trinomial into monomial.
Yeah, trinomial into monomial, simple multiplication concepts I will give children. You try to give the answers. I'm
Yes,
not going with the binomial with the trinomial, binomial with binomial. Only with the monomial with the till
ma'am, we'll
trinomial.
have science test also tomorrow. Sir is also going for invigilation.
Oh, science test is there tomorrow for you.
Ma'am, I'm asking whether it will be or sir also will go for invigilation.
No, I will give for you. If I'm not unable to do in that, I will try to post your part, Nana. Tomorrow you supposed to write because before I'm leaving, by 11 I'm leaving in home.
Ma'am, she's asking if there is a science test tomorrow.
Sir gave any message about regarding any test tomorrow?
Ma'am, 1 second checking.
You just check it.
No,
maybe.
ma'am, he didn't give.
No, sir.
Children, that is mandatory. Every Sunday you have test. Children, no need to remember reminder every time by the teachers. Some concepts what you learned in your week, definitely they will. you are
Ma'am, we'll
going-
have about synthetic fiber.
Okay, please go through that and be ready. If it is given, you just write it the test. If no, not keep means maybe the weekdays they will keep for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't worry.
Ma'am, will we have any term exams in this?
You want to, yes, I want to prepare the question paper part for you because all the students are having examinations. At least 4 to 5 papers we are making and keep ready means students can practice here. It will benefit for their academic examinations in their schools too, children. I'll plan maybe probably if I planned means next week we're supposed to complete all 4 practice sheets, all chapters together like.
Ma'am, so what you total today, it's gonna come in tomorrow's test, right?
Yes, ma'am. Till today,
Ma'am,
what are
but
the
like you
topics?
said, this is 7th class portion.
Which one?
Ma'am, this one.
Last one?
No, ma'am, what you taught till now is 7th class portion. You said he's asking. So tomorrow for test, 7th class will come, he's asking.
Yes, you, of course, I will test you, children. Don't trust on me because if I'm thinking this is relevant for the students means I can give 1 or 2 bits also. Like what is the finding the value of an expression for the given variable? You can find easy questions only, not more difficult, children. So just think and answer, that's all. Whatever
Yes,
the
ma'am, yes.
concepts we have discussed in the class only will be tested. If you are perfect with that, you can do any application part also.
Okay, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
can we leave?
Ma'am,
Yes,
actually in science, ma'am, actually the one we did not learn also is coming for test, ma'am.
Children, that don't feel for that. If you don't know, definitely they will discuss in the next anyway test after question paper discussion. They will discuss and
No,
they
ma'am,
will.
I'm saying that which we don't know are also coming, so we're getting less marks in the test.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Like which is out of syllabus.
Okay. Okay. So,
And what they did not teach yet, those are also coming. So I just wanted to say.
okay. Okay. You just find out from sir the answers part two, children. Don't think like this is not from my syllabus. You
No,
just-
ma'am, only thing is you're getting less marks, ma'am.
Okay, sometimes it happens. Okay, please let me know that the problem with sir. Actually, sir, they really don't know maybe the things. So just share with them so they will solve you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank
children.
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day
Thank
to
you,
you
ma'am.
all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye. Any doubt?
Ma'am.